240 million years in the making, stretching across East Devon, from Woodbury Common to the Jurassic Coast. The Triassic Pebblebeds form one of the finest geological and ecological sites in Britain. The East Devon Pebblebed Heaths, 1,400 hectares of rare lowland heathland, home to thousands of species of plants, reptiles, insects, dragonflies, damselfly, birds, bees, butterflies, moths, and more. Many of them rare, many of them threatened, but safe in this haven of tranquility. Space for nature, connected corridors for wildlife. And a place for people too. 400,000 visits a year on land dedicated for public access since 1930. Managing this unique landscape and keeping vegetation under control are the visiting Dartmoor ponies and herds of Devon Reds who tread and graze, helped of course by the wardens, partners and dedicated volunteers. Now a national nature reserve, one of the oldest and most coveted declarations, so fitting for the future, to inspire a sense of pride and a duty for us all to care for this valuable place, to do today what's right for tomorrow.